So here you can see that I got a bunch of shapes inside of Microsoft Paint, and you can work around with this as per what you like. But there's another program by Microsoft which lets you even edit it with more options, and that's Paint 3D. So if you have some made graphics or work with an image inside of Paint, it's easy to link it out with Paint 3D as well. So in order to do that, on the top right hand side, you can see Edit with Paint 3D is an option. Once you click on it, you can see that it says you need to save your document first. So I'm just going to hit on Save. And then if I were to go on to desktop and save this out, then what happens is that it saves out and it opens up the project in Paint 3D, which is another application. I already have a tutorial series on this, and you can view the playlist on my channel if you want to learn more about Paint 3D, which is a very intuitive 3D program which lets you edit 3D models and work with 3D objects with ease. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that I can further edit the picture and then work around with it. So you can see that this is the file right here. You can see that there's 3D space. You can further work around with paint brushes for this tool and work with it as well. And you can use different tools to save out even more detailed images after you work with it in Microsoft Paint. And that is how you can easily link out Microsoft Paint and Paint 3D application together to work with the same image. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.